You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
You're watching time-lapse video over Tehama County from earlier today. Blue skies and just a little cloud cover up above. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking those conditions as we finally, Jason, head into our weekend. What are we looking at?
Looking like a very warm weekend indeed. More warmth than we've had for quite some time. We have even more warmth in the extended forecast, which I'm going to show you coming up in a second. Right now, we are above average. First time in quite some time. In Redding, 79 degrees, and our average high is 76. It's currently 81 in Red Bluff, 77 in Chico, comfortable 70 in Paradise. It's 71 degrees in Weaverville, and 80 degrees in Corning and in Willows. Wind not too strong. Everyone at or below 15 miles an hour, but certainly warmer than yesterday, between 3 and 13 degrees warmer than just 24 hours ago. We have some high clouds currently over Siskiyou County, southward all the way towards Shasta, Tehama, and Glenn and Butte counties too, but they're not rain-bearing clouds. There is a disturbance moving our way though, and just like the last several days, these storms I've been tracking pushing right over southern Oregon and northern California. Some light spotty showers of rain, mostly over the higher terrain by early tomorrow morning. The rain showers are going to be gone. Most of the clouds will be gone by noon, and we'll also have more warmth ahead, but it will be a gusty day tomorrow in the wake of that first storm. We're going to have a lot more sunshine and more warmth on Sunday as a ridge builds overhead, but it's still going to be a temporary one because we're going to have another storm moving our way. Coming up in our second half hour, I'm going to show you the other storms moving our way all the way through the next 7 days, all the way through next Friday, and we'll have a few chances for some wet weather, but not as much as we would like. And as you can see, case in point, one of our long-term forecast models not bringing a lot of rain at all to the valley. And in fact, many valley locations receiving nothing, and most higher elevation spots will receive less than 1/4 of an inch. However, one of our other models is going to be a little bit different on that forecast. I'm going to show you that coming up in the second half hour. Also, as far as the wind is concerned, not too much tonight. We'll have a breeze in the valley, and then tomorrow afternoon, some gusty wind for almost everybody. Gusts between 20 and 30 miles an hour. Lingering breezes to Saturday night into early Sunday for the valley, keeping the overnight lows quite mild. We'll have less wind and more warmth on Sunday, though, and the temperatures will remain well above average. Here's the forecast for Saturday. Breezy with isolated showers over Trinity and Siskiyou counties. Highs 60s and lower 70s for northeastern California. Not too cold tomorrow morning, and nice and mild to locally warm in the afternoon, with highs from 65 in Alturas and Mineral to 72 degrees in Quincy. Speaking of 72, that's going to be the high in McGill tomorrow after a mild low of 53. It's going to be a 73-degree high in Paradise, 65 degrees in Butte Meadows after a cool low in the 40s. For the valley, we'll have lows tonight in the lower 50s for the most part. Highs tomorrow will be warmer than today. Lower 80s across the board. 80 for Redding and 82 degrees for Red Bluff and the Chico area. Lows between 50 and 55 with some breezes developing, but especially by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Highs also in the lower 80s for Saturday afternoon. We're going to be slightly warmer than that on Sunday. A high of 82 in Chico, and then hotter than that. Look at Wednesday, a high of 90 degrees, but there are a couple more storms moving our way. It's just going to be a roller coaster forecast through next Friday.